it's Paul from UK. Today I'm going to show you very specific wiper blades. That's for Mercedes S-Class model W222 or V222. That's for a coupe body type. To remove this wiper blade, it's not easy. This is quite advanced wiper blade with the jets across on both sides, and it's heated as well. So to remove it, you press this button and you pull it. You need to pull it very hard, especially when the wiper is on the arm quite long time. If you see, that's not only thing which holds the wiper on the arm, it's as well the connection. That's the connection of water jets. That's on the this on the top. On the bottom, that's the heating system. So it gives, there's the wiring on the arm, on the back, which give you power to heat all wiper blade. And now I'm gonna fit the replacement wiper blade, just exactly the same. There's no way to get adapters, or you need to buy OEM or direct replacement for this type of wiper blade. Okay, so we got the replacement wiper blade. As you can see, the same. There's a water supply on the top, goes to the also on the top, and that's the electric power for the heating system on the wiper. So there's also, you can see here, that goes, this slot goes to the pins underneath. It's very important that pins go on into the slots, otherwise the wiper blade will not move and you will have patches of unwiped areas on your windscreen. So make sure button click and those pins click on the side as well. So you push adapter on this position and start to sliding the wiper blade. You need to push it quite hard, because there's a few things need to click on. So we push quite hard to make all the connections, and now button clicked, and now we need to test if connection is fine. So make a spray your windscreen, so you will see the water comes through the jets left and right. Also, what I would like to mention, I will show you that in a minute, that the rubber, unfortunately, in this wiper blade is unchangeable. So I took the end cap of the Mercedes wiper blade. As you can see, it wasn't easy, but that was to check if the rubber can be replaced. Just want to show you that's the water supply. So the end cap closed the spray jets. Here, as you can see, that's the heating and the rubber. So what I like in Volvo similar wiper blades, you can now just pull the rubber, take it off, pull the new one, put the new one on, and you've got new wiper blades for the fraction of the price of whole unit. But this one, I'll try to show you, this rubber is moving here at the end, but if we grab it right in the middle, it's just solid, doesn't move, it looks like it's glue. Now I will try to deassemble whole wiper blade, and we'll check if this rubber is glue. Sorry, that's so as you can see, rubber goes out. Yeah, so we've got rubber out, and we will try to fit new one. Yeah, after closer inspection, we've got the assembler, this wiper blade for the S-Class. I've tried to slide in replacement rubber, but as you can see, that's the original rubber, and I'm not sure if you can see that. Right in the middle, it has a special cuts, probably that holds the rubber in the middle, and that not allowed to slide the replacement rubber through. So unfortunately for the S-Class W222, you would need to buy complete unit, complete wiper blades for your car. You can buy replacement ones, not only the original Mercedes. It's about £150 per pair, so it's quite expensive for the wiper blade, but as you can see, that's quite advanced wiper. Hope that movie helps you, and so you don't need to deassemble your old wiper blades. It would not work. Thank you for watching.